Welcome to the Digital Comeback Blueprint channel. My name is Jason Carter. If you're new to this channel, feel free to hit subscribe, click that bell for notifications so you can be notified when I drop more videos like this one right here. So, what is this all about? This is a blueprint series documenting what it is that I do on a daily basis to grow an online digital business. And I want to take you along the ride with me because I know that if you're coming from my TikTok, my Instagram, or YouTube shorts, you want to know exactly what it is that you need to be doing on a day to day basis to be successful in building an online digital business. So, this is what this video series is about, and I hope that you gain some value from it. I know that you will. So it doesn't matter what your background is, whether you're brand new or you are looking for another platform that you can start marketing on these social media sites and start getting some income, you're at the right place. Let's get into it. So the program that I'm promoting is called the Daily Income Method. I'm going to go kind of fast because at any given time, there's going to be a link in the description. All you got to do is click it. It'll take you to a video that looks similar to this, or it may take you to the lead capture page where you have to enter your email address and that information comes straight to me. So what we're going to be doing on a daily basis is posting 1 to 3 video reels. That's going to be for Facebook. That's going to be for TikTok. That's going to be for Instagram, your YouTube shorts. You can post that same video on all of those social media platforms. And the whole goal is to leverage that free traffic that comes from them sites and people watching the video and send them right back here. The reason why we want to do that is because we want to send them here and let this video do all the explaining, all the telling and selling for us and collect a $200 commission and help someone that is in need of digital product that wants to start promoting something so they can make some additional income for their family. That's the whole goal, to help other people get involved so they can make money for their family, just like we're doing. That's what I'm doing it for. So this program is a digital product you didn't have to create. Mac created it. He's a 7-figure, 8-figure earner. He's done a phenomenal job with the system. I like how it looks, and I'm pretty sure it's appealing to your eye as well. So what are you getting here is a digital sales page. This page right here explains the opportunity to people. It gives them social proof. Lets people see that you can make income with this because other people are making it, like Dan here. Hey, Mac, I'm averaging 1 to 3 sales a day with the daily income method affiliate program. So it's $297. Just want to throw that out there right now. Why is it $297? $200 goes directly to you when you sell a copy of this system, and they get the done for you products, and they also get the website and the lead capture page that I'm going to show you in the next video. So right now, this is just going over the sales page, okay? And there's Mac right there, my name here. You want to make money online from home, right? That's why you click that link to my partner Jason Carter sent you. That's exactly right. So here's what you get on the right hand side. So the daily income method marketing system, you get the clone of this exact system right here, this funnel that we're currently on, and you get to make the $200 instantly when somebody joins you in this program. You don't have to wait a week or 2 weeks to get paid. You get paid right away through Zelle, Stripe, Cash App, Venmo, Apple Pay, several different ways to get paid. Earn while you learn affiliate marketing video vaults. I'm going to show you that too on the inside in the next videos coming up. You get 5-part video series. You get the copy, max personal campaign templates. You get multiple streams of income. You get the 5 bonuses included. You get the viral reel and hook script generator. That's very important because we're going to talk about that in the next coming videos. You get the viral reel method, 100,000 faceless video reels for the people out there that don't want to show their face on camera. Facebook profile growth guide, private community access. And that's the price again, $297. $200 goes to you, $97 goes to the admin. And on this page right here, we have a lot more social proof videos. So here's the gist of how this works. You join the daily income method. You just pay one time. This is not a reoccurring thing that you have to pay for month after month. The daily income method in itself isn't. You get to post Pre-made reels, they give you 100,000 scroll, stop, and short videos. You upload 3 a day to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Zero filming or face on camera required. You collect your earnings when someone buys through your link. $200 hits your account instantly by Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. You get the gist. You can click on Start Earning today. And at any given time, there's going to be a link in this video that you can click on to take you to a page that looks like this at any given time. It's going to take you to my lead capture page. All right. So far, um, this opportunity has made over $1 million. Real time community activity from the last 30 days. This is our community. As you see, 38 minutes ago, uh, Jesus Alvarez just earned $200. What is affiliate marketing? Why is it the best way to make money online in 2026? Affiliate marketing is the easy way to make money online without creating your own products, handling customer service, or dealing with fulfillment. Here's how it works. You share links on social media to other people's products. When someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. The product owner handles everything else. You just collect the payments. I actually like to refer to it as affiliate marketing, or we call it the connect method. So Mac, he's the plug. He created the system. We act as a middleman. We introduce people from our social media sites to Mac, and then we collect the commission for it. So if we take Uber, for example, Uber doesn't own a single car, but they act as a middleman, and then they make their money on the back end once that Uber driver gives that person that ride, right? And same thing with Airbnb. They don't own a single property. They just connect the person with the house or hotel to the person who needs a place to stay. They're the middleman, and they are collecting the commissions without really even doing anything. So I'm going to introduce you to Mac, and then you're going to join the program if you decide to join, if you see if it's a fit for you or not. And then I collect the commission, and Mac also collects a $97 admin payment for creating this whole system to keep it all running, to keep the lights on. You dig? All right, so post 3 reels a day. One thing I like about it is that you don't have to have expensive paid ads. You don't have to do that. You didn't have to create the sales funnel. You don't have to be technical. You don't have to show your face on camera. This is years of trial and error that he's encountered on his own, so we don't have to. So we don't have to go through that. The daily income method does 95% of the hard work for you, and your job is to post 3 reels a day, wait for notifications, collect $200 per sale on repeat. Now, I'm here to say that this is going to take you to be consistent. This isn't something that you're going to get rich overnight with, and your expectation should be to come here, learn while you earn. So learn, implement, learn, implement, learn, implement, learn, implement, and then the money will start flowing in. All you have to do is just stay consistent, stay focused, and you don't need a lot of followers. You don't need a brand. You don't even need to show your face. Um, the system is different. Why? Because it eliminates your ad budget because you're basically advertising on these social media sites for free and sending those eyeballs, those visitors to your link right back here. And they're reading the same sales page. They're getting a follow-up emails. That in turn is marketing. And if people like what they see, it normally takes 7 to 14 times for somebody to actually see some content before they decide to buy from you. All right. So in order to get involved with this, all you want to do is just click on give me access right now. And once you do that, it's going to take you to a page that looks similar to this. I'm going to go back one if I can. All right, you're going to click it, give me access right now. Then it's going to take you here. And once you land here, what you want to do is put your full name here. Then you want to put your email here. Then you want to click on I'm not a robot. And then you want to click create my account and continue. All right. So one thing I like about this is you get paid all these different ways in this instant. So right here, you can click here, and I'm going to show you how to save some money. So if you want to click Stripe credit card, it's going to take you here. So as you see, the product itself is $200, but you can click on Klarna, And then this is what Klarna is saying. Instead of spending the whole 200, what you can do is 12 payments of $17.96, 6 payments of $34.71, or 4 payments of $50 every 2 weeks, 3 payments of $68.23 monthly. So it's up to you on how you want to do that. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to walk you through the back office, and you'll be able to see exactly what it is that you're going to be purchasing when you decide to partner with me and the data income method. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings. Any questions that you have, comment below.